So I just received this from Marcel's workshop. He sent me a YouTube live subscriber counter. He made this himself and made a video on how to make it and how to program it. So I'll leave a link in the description and at the end of this video. But for now, let's open this box. So he sent me a magnet and stickers. So thanks Marcel for those. This is the display, which I guess I need a wire for. So as you can see, it's already programmed. It's live now. I was Marcel's beta tester. The biggest issue was first the wire. Like you saw me, I used this wire, which is only a power cable. So I needed to find one that transfer information. Other thing was that I never had any Arduino programming software on my computer from IDE. And then Marcel's been doing that for 5 years. So there was a few instances we had to find the proper programs. But now that it's all sorted out, Marcel's going to be editing a video about that and posting this on his channel. thank you everyone for taking the time for watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe so I can see it on my counter right there. Like I've mentioned previously, Marcel made a video on how to make the counter and how to program it, and I will leave it in the description and at the end of this video that you can click. He also sent one to Pat Lab at the Pigbois channel, and I will leave a link to his video as well. So once again, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and until next time, I wish you well.